Good morning, Maddie.
Good morning.
Where are we going today?
Oslo.
Oslo, we can't wait. See you at the airport. We're both now currently trying to do our makeup on the train. It's not going well. It's so stressful, like everything's just falling everywhere. I'm just a girl in the world.
And that's all that you let me be.
Is that remix?
Is it?
I don't know. Graveyard. Oh, hello, good morning. We have finished our makeup.
That is such a good angle. Good.
And we're about 20 minutes away from Oslo Centre. And I cannot wait to get, I don't know, food, yeah, I'm starving. Don't know what we're gonna have. And then we're gonna go food, look some shops, go back to the hotel, probably check in then, and then go to the ballet, which I can't wait for. I'm not allowed to film, which is sad, but
I can help.
no, you're not allowed to film. I like it that way. Theatre etiquette, keep it that way. Hello. Dad mode activated. Let's go, kids. Let's go. Okay, where are we actually going? So this way. Let's go, kids. This is nice. Oh look. Oh, we've got a double bed. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh, this is really cute. So these are our outfits of the day. I am wearing Abercrombie jeans, platform Uggs, a white Adenola tee, and then I've got on these hand warmers from H&M, and I'm also wearing a long Zara trench coat. Maddie, take me off.
Adenola, TikTok shop, Adidas, Diesel.
I'm also going to wear my new Adenola coffee bean scarf. We've come to a vintage store. Yes, Queen Slay. Found the cutest skirt and this little like vest sweater, but I just don't know the conversion rate and I don't really fancy risking it when I am close to book. So I did buy something. I did get that skirt. It was giving like 60s for some reason, like 60s little tweed skirt. It was really cute and I thought, oh, it was like, I think it's like £10. I'm not sure, I haven't actually checked my bag. Now I need to figure out where the heck we're walking to. So we travelled all the way to Norway and quite frankly we couldn't bother to look and search because my phone said I can't get any service. So we're in TGI Fridays. I did this in Florida. I'll probably do this everywhere I go. I just love it and I always will. Smile! Just a small snack to keep us going.
See how far you can get it.
Me and Maddie are absolutely pathetic. We're just leaving TGI and we both left our bags. I've left my shopping bag, she's left her handbag. Oh my god. And I was just in here like, whoa. What a pair. Done the scarf a different way this time. Oh well, and I was just gonna cry. But I'd like to just
We're off to Zara.
Yeah, we are literally like the worst tourists ever. So we have been in a vintage store and I would happily go into another because they're really cool. But yeah, I've got a fluffy this scarf is molting like a dog. Oh, got a cold. Oh, I love it here, it's lovely.
What's everyone doing now? So cute. There's Stanley as well.
Are you still getting a Barbie one?
No, they're sold out.
Oh no way, that is so annoying. That is so annoying. Ooh. Living our American dream in Norway. Interesting.
What's time it?
Oh, the Slurpees.
later.
It's giving like a shopping centre mixed with like Selfridges. We're gonna head back to the hotel if I actually know where I'm walking, which, spoiler alert, I don't. We're just walking towards whatever that is there, and it looks cool.
I feel like it's looking into my soul.
Oh, aren't you a gorgeous girl? We've just got back to our hotel.
Nap time.
Not nap time, because we have to be at the ballet in an hour. Sorry, one sec. Hi guys, just a quick update for our outfit of the evening. We're literally just about to go to the ballet. I'm wearing my short sleeve Adenola white, hand warmers, H&M, Zara coat again, and then I've got my new skirt from the vintage store on. I don't know the brand, and I've got my brown handball specials and maddi. Monkey.
River Island. Don't know where the skirt's from. TikTok shop. Diesel.
How excited on a scale of 1 to 10 are you for the ballet?
1,000.
We just walked past a cocktail bar as well, and it's called like Guilty Pleasure or something, and I was like, I will see you after the show.
You're coming home with me.
Strawberry decorating, you're coming home with me. Now that is terrifying. Absolutely not. So that's what me and Maddie want to do tomorrow. We've not booked it. We're just kind of hoping for the best. Oh, they've just kind of dunked in.
I want to chilling and.
I want to dive in it. I want to like jump in it. There's Salt, which is where I went last time, just over there. That was quite cool. That was basically where people were
Salt?
Yeah, it's called Salt. That's what basically last time people were just like jumping in, like diving in. Like it was quite good. So. I got a glass of champagne and Maddie got a glass of white wine. Cheers. How classy of us. We usually prefer to be in town getting leveled, but this works too. We're here, and that was like the most traumatizing experience of my life, trying to get to it in the middle and everyone else had already sat down. And like, that was horrific. Okay, it's going dark. Goodbye. I'm not actually sure if you can see us because it's very, very dark. But we've just left the ballet and I've got mixed reviews. I thought it was incredible. I loved the live orchestra and I loved the costumes.
And the cheering, that was my favourite.
The cheering, but the last part was my absolute favourite. It was, I don't remember the name because there was emerald, rubies and diamonds maybe, and diamonds was my favourite part.
The ruby one was not a bad.
The ruby one was creepy, I'm not gonna lie. But now apparently we're going to McDonald's. It's still going our
Or as if he's still playing.
I go Mackey's every single day at home, and now I'm in Norway, still getting a McDonald's. Should we eat upstairs?
He's quite fit.
Who?
At the behind the counter.
In there. Not my type. I will always drown my Mackies in salt, no matter what. Like, no matter what I've bought, no matter how much salt is already in it, it's getting drowned. I do not care. But I had to buy a full fat Coke because I didn't have any Coke Zero, and quite frankly, I'm devastated. I really hope this tastes good. Fuck Coke! Shot. Guys, we're in Norway by ourselves. It's just me and Maddie. Like, I am 24 and she is 21.
What is going on?
Yeah, it's like the most chaotic.
I hope he falls off that. I really do. What are you doing?
This is like the most chaotic 40 seconds I think I've ever filmed. I don't even remember what I was saying now, to be honest. Shots! Yeah, I'm 24, she's 21. But for some reason, I still feel like a child sometimes. That, like, do you know what I mean? Maybe it's also the fact that I'm a woman, but, you know. We'll see. Whew. Get me a bed. I will see you in the Irish bar. Quick update, in usual me and Maddie standards, we have ended up in a gay bar. We always end up here. The Irish bar was a bit dull, so we're here instead. Turns out Maddie found out they can't serve doubles here, so she goes.
The ice is here.
We finally found where the vibe is. Okay, it is in this German bar near our hotel.
It's actually popping off in
And
here.
he said that in a few hours, well, in like half an hour, it gets like booming. So I'm going out.
It's got 2 floors.
Hello Manchester! Welcome to this YouTube video!
This is Jake Paul.
KSI! Go Palmer! Go Palmer!
Good morning. Rise and shine. I'm not well, and we need to check out in an hour. We were meant to be at 7. I have snoozed every single alarm. It's 10. We're meant to be on a boat trip now. We are meant to be on a boat trip right now.
No, it's fine. We'll get the 12 o'clock.
Jump scare. I don't know what they are, but I kind of like it. Maddie's got fruit juice and I've got a
Fruit juice.
I don't know, Capri Sun, and I've got a Pepsi Max. A cold can of Pepsi Max. If I can't have a cold can of Diet Coke, it's gonna have to be Pepsi Max. It revives me today. I feel curry mango sauce. Ooh,
Yeah.
interesting.
Another drink.
Maddie's had the worst luck this morning trying to find something to eat and drink. She bought a pizza, hated it. Now she's just gone and bought a bottle of water. Turns out it was sparkling. So now we're going into another shop. But my croissant's really good, to be fair. What are we doing?
We're on the boat.
We're on the boat. We're on the boat and we're gonna. I am so hungry. It's ridiculous. Also, I could have charged my phone if I'd brought my plug. I didn't. I have my water charger, which has got like 60%, so it's fine. But how are you feeling, Maddie?
I'm not okay. I am not well.
At least you look nice.
That's cute because I definitely don't.
You do. And you've got the film in you right now, so slay. It's very fast ship, to be fair. I've just had to like glue my hair down because the wind is so bad, but it's lovely. Like, wow. It reminds me of a town you could buy on the Sims 3 store, like Aurora or something, I think it was called. I don't know. That's like, I don't know why I know that. This camera is also on 6% and I stupidly did not bring my charger, so we're getting off the boat now. Probably going to get some lunch and then potentially see if we want to jump in the water, but we have not decided. I've got a cold, so it would probably be a silly thing. Oh, Maddie, look, everyone's just going in. We should just do it.
Bless her.
We should just do it, don't you think?
No.
She just hungover. She's not her right self. We've come for food now. We've got an hour at this table, so I think that should be fine. As long as they actually come up and like serve us on time. I also look rough, like rough. Oh, pigeons. These might be like the best chips I've ever had. That looks unreal. Yum.
That's sauce.
Getting the train back to the airport now, and Maddie can't find her charger. We spent the last like hour sat in this bar, like just zoned out, like not speaking to each other, like quiet silence, like basically having a nap because we were just so tired. And then we basically paced to the airport, and then decided to stop at Mackey's, got myself some nuggets, and then we went and bought tickets. They didn't print my ticket off. They didn't print it off, and I was panicking. I was like, oh my god, I was stressing out. And then I got on the train. She was like, oh, okay. And then I explained to her. She was like, okay. And what's up? I was like, okay, sound. So now we'll just get the train back to the airport to go home because I need my bed because I have work tomorrow. Good night. God bless. I don't know if I'll film anymore. We shall see. Nice one. The camera's on like 8%, but I'm at the airport and our flight is in like an hour, 2 hours. So we're gonna go get a drink or something and then go straight to bed and then I'm home. Yeah. There you go. Now gonna go relax, probably get a Pepsi Max, enjoy the rest of my day. But yeah, sleep.